Welcome back, guys. Binance under attack. This is crazy. We knew that the US will one day come after Binance and CZ, and it seems like it's happening since yesterday, which is absolutely insane. And CZ has already published a statement of himself according to what he's accused of, and that had, of course, a really big impact on the market. And we're gonna definitely take a deep dive into Bitcoin, into the DXY and the Bitcoin dominance, and what the outlook is for the next coming days and weeks ahead based on this big FUD that is going around. So definitely stick here if you want to know more, and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important videos. And let's directly jump in. So first, let's talk really briefly about the Binance lawsuit, because I think most of you guys have already seen it because circulating since yesterday. So basically, the CFTC sues Binance for trading and derivatives law violation, because they are basically saying here that CZ was doing insider trading with over 300 accounts that were either directly or indirectly linked to him. But CZ said in a statement that he has only 2 accounts, one for his Binance card and his private crypto holdings, and he is not trading at all on Binance, at least not derivatives. That's what he was saying. So, and you can see here is all the info. So, and that just was clear that this is going to happen at some point, because the US is just going after every exchange that's out there. There was something about BYBIT recently. Now it's Binance. There was FTX. There's Kraken. There's Coinbase. They just go after all the big guys and try to take them down. But in the end, I think it's not going to work. You know. So in the worst case, what's going to happen in the worst case? CZ has to close Binance US and pays a fine and does business as usual. So that is the big takeaway here. I don't see any other major issue with that alleged lawsuit against CZ. So now let's have a look here on the DXY. The DXY is still falling as it should be, so the dollar gets weaker. That's what we want. But since we opened here just 2 hours ago, we got a small pump here back to the upside right now, but it's just a minor pump. I still expect the DXY going lower here over the next coming days and weeks, all the way down to 101 points here, and that too should be normally really good for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. Now, really convenient for the US. When they announced the Binance FUD, the dollar was dropping and Bitcoin was dropping too, and the whole crypto market, because of the Binance FUD. So normally we see a pump in the market when this is happening. When the DXY is going down, everything goes up, but because of the FUD, crypto went down. So you can call it a conspiracy, but that might have been a setup, you know, so that while the dollar is going down, that crypto is not going up, because everything was set to break out higher, and it didn't, and went now lower again, exactly for that reason. So when it comes to Bitcoin, if you would have taken my advice to get into a short here, you would be right now in a slight profit from 27,100. We are slightly under 27,000 here, but we might not go that low anymore. We see a lot of strength coming in around 26,500, $26,600. We got here a low, here a higher low, and with this 4 hourly candle potentially another higher low. So there is strength from the bulls trying to push the price higher here again, but we need to reclaim $27,100 and the EMA ribbon at $27,600 ish to keep the uptrend in which the EMA ribbon is still on. You know, so the EMA ribbon is still in an uptrend, but we see already signs of weakness here in the EMA ribbon to flip here. So the bulls have to step in and push the price to, let's say, 27,700, 800 to keep that uptrend. Otherwise, the EMA ribbon will flip, and then we definitely go lower and potentially hit my target of $25,200. So if you're in that short right now, it's okay. We have our stop loss in place at 27,800. unless we are going up to 27,800, you should be fine, and I'm gonna notify you if and when we should close that short position. So for now, this is still fine. Also on the stochastic RSI, I see some weakness here that we roll over like this and get another leg to the downside, potentially like this, to 26,400 approximately. But from there, we could technically then bounce back to the upside. So that would be a potential first take profit point for me, 26,400 on that short, and then adjust your stop loss to the entry price so that you have a risk-free trade. You took already some profit, so it's absolutely risk-free at that time, and yeah, that point in time when we are getting there. So now when we look on the daily chart, here I also see actually strength right now in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is maintaining to stay in that resistance area here of 26,600 all the way up to $29,000. And we also saw here a small bounce already in today's daily candle to the upside, while we are bottoming out on the stochastic RSI. So by tomorrow or after tomorrow, we could potentially see a bounce in the stochastic RSI on the daily. So, and that could coincide with a break of this downwards trending line of the bearish divergence. And when we are breaking above that, the bearish divergence is invalidated. So, and that is on the daily chart, I think the most likely outcome right now. I don't see that Bitcoin would drop here. If I measure this again like this, I put it here, all the way down to $25,000, like flat $25,000, 24,200, 400, maybe. But it looks more like that we're gonna stop around 26,600 from what I'm seeing right now. You know, I can only speak about what I'm seeing right now. Now, as the chart is developing until tomorrow, after tomorrow, maybe we have to change our stance here. But from what I'm seeing right now, 26,600 could be the line in the sand. And like I said, that would be also my first take profit point for, 26,400, my take profit point for the short that I have given you guys. So now when we go to the 1 hourly chart, also here we see a lot of consolidation here between 26,600 all the way up to 27,200. But if you guys are around for a little bit on this channel, you know, when we are breaking a symmetrical triangle to the downside, then normally this consolidation phase is a bear flag. And that means, so if I draw this now like this, that we potentially break it further to the downside. And there you see we're getting closer to the main target that I've given you of the short, but we also got our first take profit point. So, and also the stochastic RSI here is pointing to that we might get the final push to the downside over the next coming hours. So that's why I'm quite cautious here right now with any long positions. So, but our first take profit point on the short could be a good first laddered in buy for a new long position. And then if we go down all the way to 25,200, there I would heavily be going long because I don't believe that we're going to lose that level. So when it comes to the Bitcoin dominance, here we see something that we want actually to see, and that is the dominance dropping. So, but like I explained yesterday, the dominance is dropping because people are getting out of Bitcoin and they are converting into fiat. It's not going into altcoins that much because the altcoins are not pumping like crazy with that drop, which should be normally happening, which is not happening. So, and that shows me that the money is going out of the market, which we normally don't want to see. But it's also a good sign overall that we have here this double top where we potentially come down now to the next level of potential support. So, and that could be, let me see. So here's another level of support. Let me put this actually here. There's actually a range. So let's keep it at 46 more or less. So what I believe is going to happen, Bitcoin will still drop a little bit. While it's dropping, the dominance goes with it. And we potentially get down here to that level. And then we bounce. And the dominance will rise again with Bitcoin on that bounce. So, and when we are getting then here to this resistance area of almost 47%, there things are changing, the dominance will start dropping, and then we have altcoin season. So that is what I believe is going to happen here with the Bitcoin dominance. And guys, I have a new challenge that I'm going to do. You can trade with me together. If you want, go on BYBIT, sign up under this link, where you still get $30,000 absolutely for free here under this link. And also on Bitget, you still get $20,000 if you sign up under this link. But on BYBIT, I just put $2,000 on my sub account, and I'm gonna trade this to $50,000 in the next 3 months. And I will open the sub account for copy trading. So if you wanna make money with me together, and you basically do it on autopilot while I take $2,000 to $50,000 in the next 2 to 3 months, then definitely sign up under this link here that is in the description and in the pinned comment below, so that we can make money together, and it's for you basically on autopilot. So then let's talk quick about the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So right now it's moving here back to the upside a little bit, which is a nice sign, but we definitely have to break here through this resistance area all the way up to $620 billion. And a sign that this could be happening soon is that we are potentially forming here a falling wedge pattern. So, and if this falling wedge pattern is playing out, then by tomorrow we should see a break to the upside where money is flowing into altcoins, and that of course will give a really nice pump to the altcoins. And that might be the day where I'll position myself with my copy trading account. So if you want to be part of that, be really quick and go to BYBIT and sign up right now here under the video in the comment or in the description to make money with me together. I might actually do already today some trades if I get to it, but otherwise I do it definitely tomorrow. And to the copy trading name, look for AMCrypto. There will be only one. I still have to set it up. So I have to set up the copy trading account. It will be not immediately, but you can already create your account and join my free Telegram channel, and also follow me on Twitter, because I'm gonna announce it on Twitter and on my Telegram account when I'm going to start with the copy trading. So once the copy trading account is live, you better be on Twitter or on Telegram in my channel to know when I start the challenge. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.